So it's about halfway through, about 10 minutes, 4 or 5 songs, and then I'll bring you in. It's roughed a bit, bro. It's roughed a bit.
Just get ready.
Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like if you're doing races. Where was the colours that I had?
Honey, can you just quickly jump in and double check that I'm in the shop? Thanks, baby. Time to start. Woo!
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Cowboy. Awesome, thanks, babe. Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Tēnā koe matua whaitiri. No mai hoki mai ki tō tātou wānanga KH4K, and welcome back to KH4K for yet another morning. Taku mihi atu ki a koutou. I want just a really big acknowledgement to everyone for joining in. Had some ingoa, some names that were mentioned to me in the comments. Pouwhare, kia ore hoa. Toby and Zara tuning in almost every day. And we have a whānau from Dubbo as well that I want to acknowledge all the way over there in Australia. Also from Australia, we have Alani. Alani is tuning in from Melbourne, so kia ora Alani. Angus from down south, we have Atawhai, Sula, Eden, Kira and Mac, and of course the Martin Bros and the Fox Girls. So kia ora anō tātou, e tautoko ani e tēnei kaupapa. Thank you again everybody for supporting our kaupapa and giving it a go. That's what it's all about, giving it a go. So let's jump in this morning with our karakia, kia hora te marino. I'll say it, you say it after me. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Awesome. Now when we do our karakia, don't be shy to give it energy. Yeah, there's no necessity for us to be so reserved. We are actually allowed in our karakia to give it lots of expression and lots of energy. That's absolutely fine. So let's jump in one more time. Kia hora te marino. This time we'll do it together. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Woo! Kia ora koutou. Feeling energized after our karakia? That's going to take us straight into our kiwaha for today. And our kiwaha is me he te. Kōrero mai? Me he te. Notice that the E in te has a pōtai on there, so we accentuate that vowel sound. Mehete. Sure, it's a mehete like a boss. All right. If you're doing something, or somebody you know is doing something really, really well, and the level at which they're executing that is expert level, mehete like a boss. Kaupai? Kia ora. I'm going to try my hardest to use mehete at least 5 times today during the lesson. See if you can spot all 5. Let's go through our vocal warm-up this morning, ahaka ma, to get our mouths and our tongues making those correct Māori sounds. Here we go. Toru wha. Ahaka mana para tauanga wha. E heke nene pere te wenge whe. Iki mini piri tiwingi fi. O ko mono poro to wongo fo. A e I o u. Kumunu puru tu umufu. Woo! Mehete. Our next little way into this morning, continuing with our warm-up. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Time to get your actions ready. Here we go. Tōru wha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Whai a be maramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi kia papatahi. Kia kotahira. Tātou tātou e. Tātou, tātou, puritia kia mau, he au e hi. Ka pai, kei runga no atu koutou, ka rau e te mahi. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, one of the classics. And you do it so well. So well.
I didn't know how to cut.
Pūrere hua. Gonna throw Pūrere hua in this morning and see if somebody in the background is gonna sing with us. Hand in. Butterfly on top but not touching. You ready? Toru wha. Pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papaki pariro, rere runga hau. Kapiki runga rawai. Papaki pariro, rere runga hau. Katau runga pua uai. Ka whānau hua, a pūrere hua, ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha, ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe, ano, pūrere hua, rere runga hau, papaki pariro, rere runga hau, ka piki runga rawai. Papaki pariro, rere runga hau. Papaki pariro, rere runga hau. Ah, tēnā no koutou. Beautiful waiata. Kia ora. I'm going to jump us all the way to the end now. And before we get into our tititōrea, don't forget today is tititōrea Tuesdays. So you need your rākau and preferably a partner. So if you want to start organising those, make sure you have those ready in about 3 to 4 minutes time. For now though, let's have a look at whiti te marama. This is a waiata that we started learning yesterday, and today we're going to introduce part 2 to this waiata. Because tomorrow, for Poi Wednesdays, we're going to be using this as our main Poi song. Alright? So here we go. To recap yesterday's learning, let's sing through this one. Toru wha. Whiti te marama I te pō, tia ho iho mai koe. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Tōna te rā, toru wha. Tōna te rā ki te moi e, tia ho iho mai koe. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Ah, ka pai. I can see in here that you really picked it up quite well yesterday. So let's sing this part one more time, and this time we'll sing it with a little bit more gusto, and we'll go just a little bit faster. Ko riri koutou, are you ready? Let's do it then. Toru wha. Whiti te mara mai te po, tia ho iho mai koe. Hei karu mo te mata o te po. Hei karu mo te mata o te po. Tōna tērā ki te moi e, tia ho iho mai koe. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Woo! Ka mau te wehi. All right, here we go. This part here, these two lines, is like the bridge to the song. The tune kind of changes a little bit. So say the words after me. Ki te kore koe, ki te kore koe, te karu o te pō, te karu o te pō. Pauri ana, taku ara e, taku ara e. Kia ora. So sing it after me. Ki te kore koe, ki te kore koe, te karu o te pō, te karu o te pō. Pauri ana taku ara e, pauri ana taku ara e. Pauri ana taku ara e. Pauri ana taku ara e. Ka pai. And after the bridge, there's one more verse which follows the same format as the first two verses. So you only need to learn the first line. Are you ready? After me. Hoki ana ahau. Hoki ana ahau, ki te moi e, ki te moi e. Hoki ana ahau, hoki ana ahau, ki te moi e, ki te moi e. Ah, karawe, karawe. So should we try this whole page? Should we give it a go? I think we should. There we go. Turu, fa. Ki te kore koe te karu o te pō, pauri ana taku ara e, pauri ana taku ara e. Hoki ana ahau ki te moi e, tia ho iho mai koe. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Whiti whiti ana, finish it off. Whiti whiti ana e, te mara mai te pō. Whiti whiti ana e, te mara mai te pō. Hey! Dramatic, eh? Yeah. Can I say though, what a fantastic effort on this part of the waiata. Man, nehete. Like a boss. So let's go, whānau. Let's wrap this waiata up in preparation for tomorrow by singing the whole thing together. And I think the style that we'll choose to sing it today is the version with a lot of energy, a brisk pace, upbeat tune. You ready? All right, let's do it then. Feel the wairua of the song, whānau. Whiti te marama, tōru, whā. Whiti te marama i te pō, tia ho iho mai koe. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Hei karu mo te mata o te pō. Tōna, tōna te きてもいいえ Tia hoi ho mai koe Hei karu mo te mata o te pō Hei karu mo te mata o te pō Ki te kore koe te karu o te pō Pauri ana taku ara e Pauri ana taku ara e Hoki ana ahau ki te mai e Tia hoi ho mai koe Hei karu mo te mata o te pō Hei karu mo te mata o te pō Tahiru a toru wha Whiti whiti ana e Te maru mai te pō Whiti whiti ana e Te mara mai te pō Haha Ka nui atu te mihi ki a koutou Kei runga no atu tō koutou mahi It was a tricky song But as Tuwhitia Te Hopo would suggest, you jumped on in and you gave it a red hot go. Thank you so much, whānau. Now is the time to start getting ready for tititōrea. So if you haven't already got your rākau, go grab them now. I'll join you back here 40 seconds while I quickly set up. Ka pai? Alright, kia ora. Oh, kia ora, Cousin Kate. Alright.
15 minutes and 48 seconds.
Yeah, bro. Let's do it, bros. Let's do it. And honey, can I get you to come and check that Jordan and I
Yeah.
are on screen?
Yep.
Are you going to be on that side, bro? Okay. You ready? Come by. Just double checking. Samara's she's behind the camera. Just checking that we're both in the shot.
You're a bit tall.
And well, you can move the whole thing back if you have to.
I can't even see I can't see where you are on the sun. That's all right. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be good.
Got to be in there. Okay, kia ora whānau. Nau mai hoki mai ki tō tātou wānanga tuarua to our second part of our lesson today, tititōrea. As you can see, John and I are on chairs today. And before you laugh at me for taking so long for getting up off the ground last week, that's not the reason why we're on chairs. Look, the reason why we're on chairs is because I just wanted to reassure our whānau out there that, you know what, you don't have to get on the ground to do tititōrea. If you have kaumātua at home, or if you have parents at home that it's a bit of an issue to get down onto the floor, by all means, grab the coffee table out and you can situate yourselves on some chairs where it's nice and comfy and give tititōrea a red hot go. Ka pai. So, we're going to start off with our beats as usual today. So, our first little beat, we're going to go boom, chick. Oh, I thought you were doing 2 chicks or 1 chick. Cool. 2 chicks. Toru, fa. 3, 2, 1, hold. Ka pai. Beat number 2. Boom, chick. Bap, bap, bap. Toru, fa. 3, two, one. Ka pai. And let's go boom, chick, flip the right, boom, chick, flip the left. Toru, fa. Flip the right, flip the left. Flip the right, flip the left. Yes, I was flipping the wrong one, I know. Flip the left, flip the right. Now one more of each. Flip right, flip left. Flip right, flip left. Flip right, flip left. And double tap, flip. Boom, tick, tap, flip. Toru, fa. Boom, tap, flip. Tap, flip. Tap, flip. Tap, flip. Tap, flip. Tap, flip. Ka pai. So now, everyone should A, know their right and their left, and B, working in unison with your partner, because now we need to exchange rako. And as you can see, my rako have the red and black tape, and Jarden's ones are plain. That way you can see where the transitions are being made. So here we go. Boom, chick. Try not to boom too hard on that, bro. It'll be really loud on the screen. Boom, chick. And then we place our right rako on the floor, and then we swap. Now, Jarden has mine, and I have his. We'll do the same with the left. Now, we've both got each other's. Boom, chick, ground, grab. Toru, fa. Ground, grab. Ground, grab. Not too hard. Ground, grab. Ground, grab. Ground, grab. Ground, grab. Ground, grab. And hold it there. Awesome. So one of the things with the boom, chick, slap, grab is when Jarden and I are putting the rako on the ground, we're staying on our own side. And then when we need to grab it, we're reaching across for the grab. And that's the same as the throw. We throw straight and we reach across for the grab. So the timing is boom, chick, throw, grab. And one more point. The hand that throws is the hand that catches. That's right. Let's give it a go, whānau. Tu whiti a te hopo. Toru, wha. Woo, pretty good, bro. Pretty good. How did you get on? You're still going. Oh, keep it up, keep it up. Here we go. All right. So, just like we did with the flipping progression, boom, chick, throw right, and then throw the left straight away. Boom, chick, throw right, throw left. Boom, chick, throw right, throw left. Give it a go. Karawhia. Throw right, throw left. Woo. Boom, chick, throw right, throw left. Boom, chick, throw right, throw left. Sorry, buddy, that was my fault. I hit it twice in the ear. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, throw right, throw left. 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 Woo! And I got my rako back. Yeah. Ka pai. How'd you get on with the right, left?
Easy.
Oh, good, good. All right. So, what I'm actually going to do for you today, rather than progressing us just now, I'm actually going to introduce you to a rako challenge. Now, we did this challenge during the last lockdown as a little bit of an extra. And the current record is held by two students at Normandale School here in Lower Hutt. And their record stands at 213 consecutive throws. Kapo? 213 consecutive throws. Now, every throw must be clean. Yeah, you can't count it if it goes like this. All right, and every throw has to be to the beat. Okay, so when you're throwing, you can't go boom, chick, and then throw it. It has to be a continuous flow. So everyone goes boom, everyone goes chick, and then you throw right, throw left, throw right, throw left, throw right, throw left, throw right, throw left, and you don't stop until you drop it, or until the catch is not clean anymore. Okay? Let's see how Jaden and I do. Toru, fa, boom, chick, 1, 2. Oh, we got to 2. Let's try it again. Toru, fa, boom, chick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember continuous. Toru, fa, boom, chick, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got to 3. We're almost out of the 5 category. Toru, fa, boom, chick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got to 5. Well, technically we got to 4. Come on. So give the challenge a go and let us know in the comments. How you get on with the challenge. Yeah? How many consecutive throws can you get with your partner? Alright? We'll give it one more go. Toru, fa. Boom, chick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we were almost at 10. Almost to 10.
Again.
Alright. You want to do one more? Okay, here we go. Toru, concentrate. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, and 1. Oh, you did it when it was in the middle of the air. You went like this. You went like this.
No,
One more. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We got to think.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, bring it up. Let's do one more move before we wrap it up today. This is the inside-outside throw. This one is really, really simple. We start off with a boom, chick, ground grab. So everyone goes boom, everyone goes chick, and then because I'm the better catcher, I'm going to put my tūrako together on the ground, and Jaden's going to put his tūrako on the outside. So if I turn that over and flip it towards you, can you see that mine are on the inside and Jaden's are on the outside? And then we simply grab each other's and do the process again. Boom, chick, slap, grab. 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 Kapai? Good. So, last one for the day. Let's turn the boom, chick, slap, grab into a throw, inside, outside. Couple of pointers. If you're the inside thrower, you're always the inside thrower. And if you're the outside thrower, then you're always the outside thrower. Don't try and mix it up halfway between. Yeah, it gets really confusing. So here we are. You ready? Toru, fa. I can't find it. Yeah, no, that was cool, bro. So that's the boom chick inside outside throw. That was the last of our moves today. The cool thing about this session though is you can go back to it at any time. Just rewind it to the explanation of whatever move that you feel comfortable with, or the one that you want to practice a little bit more, and give it a go. I've had some wonderful video clips being sent in from families of their children using tititōrea. Please, if you want to continue to send me those videos, absolutely send it to me. But if you want to send it to me and you're happy for me to share it, let me know in the comments so that I can add it to a little, perhaps a little montage video clip of everyone giving tititōrea a red hot go. Kapai? Awesome. This guy, go there, go. Right, there we go. Some balloons courtesy of Jaden. Wonderful. No reire te whānau. Kia ora mō koutou. E hara mai ki te tautoko I tēnei mahi. Ki te ako I tēnei taonga te tititōrea. Thank you so much everybody for coming along and giving tititōrea Tuesdays a red hot go. If I'm looking at what you guys were doing, I'll probably say mehe te. like a boss. Just the effort this morning was wonderful. It was beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us. Ka pai. This is Ivy Gill. You want to do a waiata before we go? And do prettier name? Don't want to do waiata. Okay. Do you want to say ka kite? Ka kite. From my whānau to your whānau, our whānau, kia haumaru te noho, ka kite anō. Haere rā. Did you make me a card?
Finished. Mum's finished.
Leave it there, darling.
Leave it. Share?